Guys, no video today because we had no band, right, Junior? No band today. No band. But the reason we had no band is a huge concert on St. Thomas today. The UB40. That's right. They're performing tonight on St. Thomas, so all the musicians are going to be there. We know that. Some of our favorite bands will be there opening up. Reggae Dynasty is going to be there. Wished I could make it. I had to work all day, and I can't do it now. Anyways, instead, I'm going to show you all the wrecks this week from the Hurricane Ernesto. Check it out. Pretty serious.